Sanibonani igama uSiphethihle kaRams and Yo, semuhle sihappiness. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi what inspired you ukuthi uqale imodel? Sawubona sisixolelwa. I'd like to know ukuthi what inspired your outfit today.
Into inspire.
Okay, and I'd like to know ukuthi where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years? Oh, what I can see.
definitely. I'm an inspired model, and by knowing that I am confident and I will do this. And I would like to tell you that everything is okay, we can do it. I advocate for education because I believe that education is the key to success. I inspire others and I would like to inspire. Thank you.
Sanibonani igama uSiphethihle wakaRams and today nginobani?
Itumeleng Mayisela.
Usemuhle sis Itumeleng. I'd like to know what inspired your dress today.
Like,
Ubani uku-inspireile ukuthi yenze or yini into eku-inspire ukuthi yenze iroko the way you designed it?
like, usisi wami told me to do this dress, and then she also helped me.
Okay, and I wanna know ukuthi where do you see yourself in the upcoming 5 years?
I see myself as Miss SA.
Yes, that's the spirit. Exactly 360. Yes. And who do you look up to? Modeling. Modeling when this is the person who inspire you to model one.
Miss SA.
Miss SA. Okay, thank you so much. Sawonga. Ding nobani. I like your outfit.
Thank you so much.
I'd like to know what inspired you to design this outfit.
Okay, so I feel like, do you know the movie The Woman King?
Yes, I know it.
Yes, so that's what inspired me. How they do culture, how they carry themselves as women, really empowered me.
Thank you. That's very nice of you. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a real estate agent, but with a hobby. I think modeling is a good one. And yeah, living my life, enjoying my 20s, spoiling my mom, spoiling my family, enjoying my riches.
Yes, that's nice. And who inspires you?
My mom.
Your mom.
My mom. I gotta shout out to my mom. My mom has been there since day one. She even helped me design this outfit actually.
That's nice.
And yeah, I'd like to send a shout out
Can
to
you
her.
please get a 360? Yes. Yes, thank you so much. Sanibonani igama uSiphethihle wakaRams and today nginobani?
Anele wakamtungwa.
Sawubona sis Anel awusemuhle. I'd like to know ukuthi yini take inspire ukuthi yenze this outfit today.
Everything inspiring the outfit is because of environment yethu. I decided to color it together to make a dress.
Okay, that's nice. And who inspires you kule modeling journey yakho ukuthi this is the person engibhekela kuye nje. This is the person who inspires me.
My friend Liema Mabaso from PTT High School.
Okay, that's nice. Shout out to Uliema. And I'd like to know ukuthi in 5 years when uzibona ukuphi?
I see myself in America and be Miss South Africa 2040.
Yes, thank you so much. Siyabonga sacela ushaye nge360. Yes, awusemuhle. Siyabonga. Sanibonani igama lami uSiphethihle wakaRams and today nginobani?
Olelwa Lutiti.
Sawubona sisixolelwa. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit today.
Into inspire outfit yami today bengibe creative yabo.
Yes.
Amakhabishi vele ngiyalithanda ikhabishi yabo. Yeah, so yiko ne butterfly angel.
Can
Yeah.
see. And I'd like to know where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, ngifuna ukuba lawyer I want to be a lawyer and then ngibe model. Yeah.
And I'd like to know who inspires you.
Mina ngiyazi-inspire.
Yes, girl.
Me, myself and I like
Siyabonga besacela ushaye nge360. Yes. Siyabonga. Today I'm with
Nosipho Hlatshwayo.
Sawubona sis Nosipho awusemuhle. Yeah, so I'd like to know what inspired your outfit today. What inspired you to decide to enter this outfit today? Ngizobangena nge-red and black.
Because red and black is my favorite color, and that's why I decided to make this top because my friend liked it too much, so that's why I decided to.
Alright, that's nice. And I'd like to know where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself in 5 years. In 5 years coming, I just wanna be a fashion designer and a model too.
Alright, thank you. Sacela ushaye nge360. Yes. Siyabonga sisi. Today I'm with
Uzinhla kwamajozi.
awusemuhle sisi. Sacela usiphi 360. You look nice. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit.
Khuluma isiZulu ne? Okay, inspired outfits yam was Kat Matlala. Cause mengizibona ngigcoka so angizikhohlwa ngimillionaire like ngizibona nginemali so ke ngabona ukuthi Kat Matlala outfits me.
Yes, siyabonga sisi, you look nice. And I'd like to know what inspired you to start modeling.
Honestly, ngiyathi ngiyakhuluma was inspired by uZozibini. Ungikhombisile ukuthi noma like ungaphuma kuma situation kanjani, uphuma ezilalini, uphumaphi, as long as une passion nento oyifunayo and uyazazi ukuthi ufunani and uyagxila kule nto oyifunayo ungayithola.
All right, thank you siyabonga.
Thank you.
Sanibonani kama usipesihle waka Rams and today nginobani? Siwela, usemuhle sisiwela. I'd like to know what inspired your outfits.
My outfits are inspired by whereby I saw this trend whereby they make papers for recycling and making a dress.
Okay, that's good. Recycling, that's nice, that's amazing. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself from some sort of theater or something, making some acting, inspiring some small children to make their dreams come true.
Okay, and who inspires you in life? Modeling, this is the person I look up to.
Miss Tandy.
Okay, that's nice. Can you please get a 360? Yes. Thank you so much. Today, nginobani?
Sinazopora.
Sawubona sisinazo usemuhle. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit today. Ukuthi yenze this nice outfit oyigcokile namhlanje.
Okay. I'm a food lover. So when I'm a food lover, I wanted to create something that belongs in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
So I just think, no, food won't fit this thing, you know. So I decided to use these things, mascara pots and stuff. And then I wanted to solve a thing. Then I like, no, we find that things. Then I fetched foil. Then
siyabonga seyinhle outfit yakho, siyabona ukuthi you use things valuable, nice, cheap, recyclable. Siyabonga. And who do you look up to?
I look up to Miss Nomfundo Sugazi.
Okay, that's nice. And where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I see myself as Miss SA.
Miss SA. Okay, that's nice. He loves to say thank you, Sakali 360. Oh, siyabonga. And today nginobani?
Unokarabo wakaMahlambi.
Awusemuhle sisikarabo. I'd like to know what inspired you to uqala ukumodela.
There is this guy who inspired me ngokuqala ukumodela because like for the first time ngingenele modeling, she was the one who encouraged me ukuthi modeling is not about your body and it's about confidence and how you feel like. So I thought, that guy gave me encourage and I started modeling.
Okay, that's nice. And what inspired your outfits?
What inspired my outfit? It's Baby Boy from TikTok. So I saw this dress from that guy. So I decided maybe Nami I should do the same thing. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Sanibonani igama usiphethihle ka-Rams and today nginobani?
No, I'm Helang, known by Melrose.
Okay, Melrose siyakubona. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit today.
Oh, my outfit, like my outfit, like
Yini inspire nje ukuthi design nje?
like ngithe like mangibukela wazo seat yabo. Like kube na that time la ubani ona la khona nzi rokelile so yeah ngabona ukuthi limit to a dress not a trouser yeah. See
Siyabona. And the shoes, what inspired the shoes?
yeah, the grandma, you know, the grandma.
Okay,
Yeah.
you see the inspiration.
You know, yeah.
Okay, and I'd like to know where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, what I can say is that like I'm a fighter, I'm a fighter to success. Like I do many things. I play soccer, I do music, I even do modeling.
Okay,
as
we
you can see, like in life you have to try everything. You don't know what God planned you. So,
Okay, siyabonga. Sacela 360. Yes. Siyabonga. Sanibonani igama usiphethihle ka-Rams and today nginobani?
Siphosihle Makakula, well known as Lil Tip Hop on socials.
Okay, siyabonga Lil Tip Hop. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit today?
What inspired my fashion today?
Yes.
Obviously, umuntu inspire fashion yami today. Umich bika ku Big Brother. So I started following the boy on the time I to come Big Brother, and then maybe too much to fashion and color. Obviously, fashion is nothing without color. You can't wear black and white every day.
And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where do I see myself in 5 years?
Yes.
A part-time modeling and a student at university.
Okay, which university?
I think University of Cape Town.
Okay, that's nice to see the inspiration. And who inspires you modeling? This is the person engimbhekayo ukuthi lo uyo-inspire ukuthi ngenze modeling ngayeki.
As I said, Umich Yolanda, which Yolanda became an international Ilona model and won a global award. So Yibabang inspired both of them.
Okay, siyabonga Sacela 360. Yes. Today nginobani?
Impendulo Chauke.
Unjani Mpendulo?
Ngiyaphila.
Nami ngiyaphila. I'd like to know ukuthi yini into inspire ukuthi yenze the outfits le namhlanje?
Into inspiring ukuthi ngenze le outfit umaleda lokugwetsh. Ngifuna ukufana njengaye bangibize maleda njenganamhlanje ngifuna uqala ngibizwe ngomaleda ngoba ngingomaleda.
Okay, siyabonga. And who do you look up to?
I look up to a lot of people because a lot of models are not end up in didn't end up at school of modeling. Now they are on international modeling. Yes.
So you take inspiring to start modeling there.
Yeah.
And in 5 years, you wanna so be?
In 5 years, I want to see myself to modeling and mechanical engineering.
Okay, that's nice. So Sacela 360. Yes. Mara outfit yakhe yashota mos. Sawa njani? Nami ngiyaphila igama ubani?
Yolanda Shawane Osnowes Shoes Mashews.
Okay, Shoes Mashews sakubona. One inspired today ukuthi uqala modeling ukuthi modeling is a good career path for me ukuthi ngiyenze nje. Le ngayenza le. Junior.
Lo osifaka kuma rehearsal lo ukhona. Una ngiyakhuluma mos.
Okay. That's nice. Siyabonga to Junior. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
University of Johannesburg.
Yes.
Kinguthi mina ngithanda ukudlala ibhola so I think in 5 years abo ngizabe ngilapha UJ.
Siyabonga Sacela 360. Yes. Ngithanda ijacket yakho mina. Ngiyayibona sistyleni, ngiyabona. Ngiyabonga. Igama usiphethihle ka-Rams and today nginobani?
With Kelung Lefe.
Okay, siyabonga Siskele unjani? Usisifo? Okay, excuse me ngithi ngikhonanze wrong. So what inspired your outfit today?
Obvious. As like I'm always at school and I'm always with books, so I thought that let me just do something simple with the papers to represent my schoolwork. Then the plastics is because almost everything comes out in a package and that package needs a plastic to hold it. So that's why
Ngoba mina ngibona ngathi ushaynyana so yinto eyenza ukuthi end up modeling.
Modeling I found my space. Ngathini? Kula ngiba free corner is my other world. la ngiba free khona.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. What inspired you ukuthi ke umuntu okinspirayo ukuthi uqale imodeling?
Oh, ngathini? I saw uSithembeka. So,
the way akenzela ngakhona nje wama noba inspired wathi nami ngizobangena nami. Okay, ayakubona. So in 5 years uzibona ukuphi ku modeling?
Normally, I see myself as a big model. Sometimes I become a judge and judge people. Then yes.
Okay, siyabona sicela ushaye 360. Yes. Mina ngithanda ibhuku lakho leli sefashionini style samanje.
And ngizolenza ngizofaka.
Okay, siyabonga. Happiness. So ufuna ukwazi ukuthi what inspired you ukuthi uqale modeling?
Actually, Usisomong inspired my deceased sister. She was also a model before, but I didn't know her. I found out after some time, so yeah, she's my inspiration.
Okay, that's nice. And who do you look up to? Ogu modeling vele. Also, this is the person law. Ufuna ukufana naye one day.
Found I am. Tell you.
Okay, that's nice. And as Miss Ekurhuleni, okay, Miss Ekurhuleni, wayini advice ongayipha abanye abantwana abafuna ukwenza modeling?
I would say they should follow their dreams, you know. Yeah, bangezwa ngabantu. Yeah.
Okay, thank you siyabonga. Sanibonani igama lami uSiphethihle wakaRams and namhlanje nginobani?
Noneho Siliso.
Yeah, Mama Baso.
Okay, anisebahle namhlanje. So I'd like to ask you what inspired you to start modeling?
Mina, I started modeling. Ngisase newbie, ngisasemncane ku modeling. This is my first ever title. Iyokuqala iyokugcina for now. Into engineerile ukuthi ngiqale modeling is because of ngithole ama-comments negative from people bangitsho ukuthi I wouldn't fit ku modeling because I was too fat, yabo amele ngislim and whatnot, and I decided to enter one pageant ukuthi ngibabonise ukuthi no, I can do it. Yeah. And I did it.
You?
Copying the question.
What inspired you to study modeling?
Okay. Modeling ngicale grade 6. I think I was
12 years, yeah. So what inspired me to study modeling? Siswami starting in modeling, and yeah, she had a few failures there and there because Pulisha telling her she's so slim, she can't fit in modeling. So I went there for her to prove her right. You can still do it no matter the bullying, no matter what, no matter the challenges. Yes.
Okay. That's nice. And ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani obheke kuwe ku modeling ukuthi this uyanginspire ngalona.
And what's funny ukuthi like this kamcaba?
Uyena lo ngapha?
No.
Oh.
I don't know the name. I'm not sure. But it's that girl over there.
Which one?
That girl. No, the light one. Yeah. I started following her more often on Facebook page. On my Facebook page is okay. And I saw good man. Pageant. It's not about the confidence, just going on stage, but just giving back to the community. My community works. And the other one is Lisa Horatlubiane, Irana Alpiaga, Miss there and Miss Elite. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. And you?
Me, it's Michelle. She's inspiring me a lot because like she has confidence, you know, like she knows how to speak to people. She knows how to advise you on how to continue your journey. So she inspires me a lot.
Okay, that's nice. Shout out to her as well. And njengoba nina senama title deeds. Yini advice ongayipha abanye laba basaqala bangakabi nama titles or anything ukuthi nawe usangafika la. Yiphi advice ongabapha yona?
I'd simply say the world is in your oyster. If you believe ukuthi into uzoyenza, just do it. Ungananazeli, ungayilena le, just do it. And yeah, that's it.
My advice is go there to have fun. You can have expectations, but then one thing about expectations, they hurt because whenever you don't get a title, you start being lacking confidence. So my advice is just go there, have fun, and do your thing. Yes.
Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, thank you guys. Today nginobani?
Unkosinathi wakaMagudulelo hlala eTsakane.
Unjani Nkosinathi?
Ngiyaphila unjani mama?
Ngiyaphila. So ngisathanda ukubuza ukuthi yini take inspire ukuthi uqale ukumodela namhlanje?
Namhlanje was like the thing.
Okay, the day uqalile lelo langa.
It was my friend Sifiso Matontela, shout out to him. Ngambona estradini yenza ngazi ukuthi yenzima, ngazi ukuthi modeling yamantombazana, so ngaba ne interest, so bheka namhlanje nguphi.
Shout out to him. And so far nje ubisho sayiqalile nje isise busy. What's your highlights so far?
No bona bayazama yabo. Mara ngathini we getting there man. Yabo. Mara maybe kumele kufike mina kuqala izoba mnandi.
Oh, okay. Okay, and as wena uyimodel, who do you look up to? Ukuthi this one nami one day ngizofika la khona.
To be honest, I won't lie to you, akekho ngisibheka kimi.
Yes,
yeah.
that's the point.
Bona babheka kimi abanye. Yeah.
Okay. Siyabonga sicela ungishaye nge360. Ngiyabonga. Bani?
Mbali Sithole.
Right Sibali. Ngiyaphila usemuhle.
Ngiyabonga nawe.
Ngiyabonga. So ngisathanda ukubuza ukuthi yini take inspire ukuthi uqale ukumodela?
Honestly speaking, but like I think it was always for the compliments abantu used to give me that my body would suit modeling, and I also wanted to boost confidence yami and self-esteem.
Okay, since ngibona ngathi ushy, how do you deal nokuthi uye phambi kwabantu umodele, uspeak up and uphele confidence owapha yona umodela lapha?
Support engitholayo from my family and friends is what keeps me going.
Okay, that's nice. And who do you look up to?
I look up to myself. I look up to God.
Okay, that's nice. And as we titled it, Israel, I'd like to know what's this title yenzela ini, what ini nzobeka kanjani to the community. What does it help with into zinjalo? So
I don't know how to answer that, but I'd say young inspirer, and it like abanye abantwana from the community, they look up to me, and they'd like one day to also own ama-sashes, own ama-crowns, and be the person that I'm turning to be today.
Okay, ngiyabonga kuhle ukuzwa lokho. Sicela nge360. Yes. Okay. Ngiyabonga. Mhlanje nginobani?
Thabo kaMkwena.
Awusemuhle. So ngithanda ukwazi ukuthi yini take inspire ukuthi uqale ukumodela.
Because ngiqala ukumodela, I believe that I could combine my passion for community services and my desire to inspire others. So starting this journey, I believe I will grow personally and professionally, and I believe modeling, it is the journey for me.
Okay, that's nice. And who do you look up to?
I look up to myself.
Okay, that's nice. That's what you want. That's the spirit. And so far, Njo, ubukeli show. What's your highlight so far? Nto ithandile nje so far ubukeli show.
So far, njengoba ngibukelile ba iyo show bayishala batala lapho.
Bayishaya bayeza nabo. Uyabona nje nabo bathola ama crowns kanje.
Ayabuya nabo bakhona nje abayithiwa ngibabonile.
Okay, ayina ngibona bonile nyana ukuthi okay kuyazama zama. Okay. So yipi advice ongayipho umuntu ofuna ukuqala ukumodela?
Ukuthi bile uma uqala ipageant akhona ama ngathini ngisi inkinga ohlangabezana nazo but wena uba isolution yabo ubelieve kuwe and uhlezi wena confidence.
Okay, siyabonga ngabusacela ushare nge360. Yes. Sanibonani igama lami uSiphethihle wakaRems and nginobani?
Thirifatso Msibi.
Awusemuhle sisithirifatso.
Ngiyabonga ngifuza wena.
Ngiyabonga. So I'd like to know ukuthi what inspired you to start modeling?
Well, mina modeling ngayiqala before I even knew what was modeling. Bengithanda ukudlala ngama-heel kamama and walk around the house. So that's how I started modeling and then it grew into me. So I wouldn't say I chose modeling. Modeling chose me.
Okay, I get that. And who do you look up to? This one day ngizofika la.
Well, I wouldn't say good pageant world I have specific role models, but I look up to myself because I'm most pusher, so I want to see myself up there with spotlight. So Uguti, I have a specific person in Bugalagu, no, but I push myself.
Okay, that's nice. And what is your inspiration in life?
My inspiration, I live by the quote that the best way to keep moving forward is to realize how far you've come. So I look back and reflect, and then that's how I keep going forward.
Okay, that's nice. I've heard some abantu in my interview, but you are their inspiration. Wow. That is nice. Siyabonga ukuthi inspire abantu. And so far njengoba sobukeli show, what's your highlights?
Well, I can see that I'm a consistent way too. They are very confident, and I like that. In modeling, you have to be confident and be authentic, so that helps you be confident and do anything. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And as Miss Teen Radiance, what advice can you give to abantu abafuna modeling?
Well, mafuna modeling, you just have to know ukuthi mele ube
ungafuni ukuba omunye umuntu, just be yourself. I-aura yakho will radiate. Yes. Thank you. Sacela ushaya nge-360. Yes. Clock it. Ngiyabonga. Abo bengasinzi. Mhlanje kunobani?
Olosithando Mkhandwana, a Supreme, eKorholeni Supreme finalist.
Okay, awusemuhle namhlanje. So ngathanda ukwazi ukuthi what inspired you ukuthi uqale modeling?
My friends and family, they saw something bengayiboni mina, and last year I applied for Mayfield, and then I tried. Ngabona ukuthi ngifikile kuma finals, even though I didn't win, but I saw that I do have potential. And then last year I joined eKorholeni Supreme. This one I won. On my second pageant, I was so surprised. I was so excited. It was so overwhelming, but I was so proud of myself, which is why I'm like, I want to explore, I want to learn more, I want to meet new people, I want to develop skills. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, that's nice. Congratulations on winning.
Oh, thank you so much.
And who do you look up to?
Me. Can I be honest? I don't care about the media or what. I look up to Nicki Minaj. I look up to Doja Cat. I look up to Ariana Grande and the late Miss Marilyn Monroe. Yes, that's all.
That's nice. And so far, Njoba Sobukeli show, what's the highlights?
Oh, the girls are so enthusiastic. The girls are doing their thing.
I saw.
The girls are doing their thing, even though sikhona ukuthi practices in a short space of time, but they're doing their best.
Okay, that's nice. And yiphi advice ongakwazi ukuyipha someone ofuna uqala modeling?
Be you. Don't let the people define you. If you know what you want, chase it. Meet your goals halfway, as God will help you. As like we all know, God helps those who help themselves. So I think perseverance and determination is the best.
Okay, that's nice. Ngathanda ukwazi futhi ukuthi moqala modeling as you are, I don't know ukuthi I should, as a gay person, yiziphi izinto, the negative comments odile nazo, and how did you deal with yonke leyo nto leyo?
I didn't face any of that. That's the reason why I continue to do it, because these pageants are so inclusive that there's diversity. You know, I've never been disrespected, discriminated, or anything.
Yeah, that's
so
nice.
Everything is so nice.
That's nice. Siyabonga Sacela 360 nyana. Yes. Ooh, I love it. Thank you, ngiyabonga. Sanibonani, igama lami uSiphethihle kaRems, and today nginobani?
Abongile Charlie.
Sawubona sister Abonga, awusemuhle. Ngiyabonga. So I'd like to ask ukuthi, what's your inspiration in life?
My inspiration in life is to be the person that I want to be, growing, learning, and achieving my goals.
Okay, that's nice. And what inspired you to study modeling?
What inspires me study modeling, it's seeing young girls. As I was growing up, I looked up to my dad So my dad inspired me to become the woman that I am today. He was always there for me. Yeah.
Okay, and as Miss Elite Davidson, the queen, what advice can you give to abantwana ababukela kuwe ukuthi they wanna be like you na bafuna ukuba one day bafuna ukuba nawe queen? What advice can you give to them?
Okay, the advice that I can give to someone who look up to me is to be yourself, love yourself, do not care what people say about you. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And what do you think of the show so far?
The show is amazing. It's amazing. The ladies are very beautiful. The gentlemen are yes.
Okay, that's nice. Talk 360. Yes, 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 yes. Nobani.
Lo Lishokhono Blessing Mukomani, your Miss Teen Elite Davidson 2025.
Yes, Siyabona Miss Davidson. So, what inspired you to start modeling?
What inspired me to start modeling, it was when I saw Miss Universe. That was Zozibini Tunzi. I liked the way like she does things, her natural beauty. I was like, this one is my inspiration. Yeah.
Okay, I get that. And as when we model, who do you look up to? Ukuthi abona lo in 5 years lo nyafika la khona.
Most definitely Zozibini Tunzi.
Okay.
As I've already said, Uguti, her natural beauty, even the way she handles things naturally. I love her strategies.
Okay, that's nice. And I'd like to know what's your inspiration in life? What keeps you going?
You know what keeps me going, ne? You must always stay positive. Always tell yourself that everything in life will go exactly the way it was supposed to go. And also you must know that everything in life actually will go exactly the way it was supposed to go, but at times you'll feel like an outcast that you don't fit in, but you'll discover that being your own clique will be your strongest attribute. So what I'm trying to say, Uguti, in life you must never give up. All of us as winners, we must never quit. Success will always beat success, and whatever you started, you must finish it and never look back.
Okay, thank you Siyabonga for your kind words. And yiphi advice ongayipha umntana nje obukela kuwe?
Guys, ninga give up. Even if they tell you bad things, take those bad things and turn them into beautiful things.
Yes.
Turn them into inspiration. That's what we're gonna keep you going. Thank you.
Siyabonga Saceli 360. Yes, 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 yes. Awusemuhle. Siyabonga. Siyabonga Rams, and today nobani?
Thembelihle Mbogani.
Awusemuhle sithembelihle. So I'd like to know what inspired you to start modeling?
Oh, what inspired me to start modeling is that ngifuna raise awareness. Ne? I want to raise awareness about bullying, its effect, and the importance of kindness, empathy, and inclusivity. Because me notice ukuthi eskolweni there's no kindness, there's no, and that makes us feel it makes us feel it's not nice. Because I also was a victim of bullying, and
lento le yabo ikakhile, so
yeah,
anyway
my modeling ingboostile ukuthi yazi naye ngibasabla abantu.
See next.
Yeah, see next man.
Next.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And what do you think of the show so far?
It is nice. Yeah, like very nice. Because benga expecting ukuthi yabona so bani
never
so yabo uzosibona nathi ukuthi
okay. I'll tune in ngawami. And as we're now the first princess of Miss Davidson, what advice can you give to abantwana ababukele ku?
Never be what you're called and be who you are, because I believe in embracing our true selves. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Saceli 360. Yes. Siyabonga. Today, Nobani. So I want to know, how do you feel about winning today?
I feel really happy. I'm happy, like I don't believe. I don't believe so.
It's your first time winning?
Yes, it's my first time because usually I won second princess and stuff. So it's my first time being a queen.
So how would you advise other people about winning with the modeling journey?
So confidence first. Put confidence first and boost the self-esteem.
Okay, thank you.
No, I'm Helang, known as Melrose.
Okay, Melrose. I want to know how does it feel Uguba missed HB Nyati?
Yeah, it feels so good, because I went all out, like Lana, as I said, I strive to achieve. What God gave you, no one can take it. That's the word of the day.
Okay, that's nice. So if advise if someone often fana nawe awini someday.
Like in I'm telling you, zithembe, like have confidence. Like lento le like ngakuyinisa, like ishoot lento le ngifuna uyenza ungezwa ngabantu because abantu like banama negativity ngitho. Yeah.
So going forward into ozoyenza to contribute to the community.
Like to be honest, like angazi kakhulu ne, but as a one guy, nanoma vele bengidlile like bengizoya deep to know what must I do? Yeah, for the community and stuff. But yeah, I'll do
Thank
something.
you, congratulations. How does it feel ukuthi you are the winner, you are the first princess?
I feel good and excited
because I've been waiting for this moment, but I didn't know that I would win the first princess. First, I was scared, but now I am confident because they did advise me. Now I did it.
Yeah, that's good. So you be advise ongayinika someone ofuna ukufana nawe aba first princess naye.
I will say, do not give up on yourself. Continue on what you like. Don't let anybody hold you back with what you want.
Okay. 360. Yes. Thank you.